A rocket is fired from the Earth's surface to a distant planet. By Newton's law of universal gravitation, the force F will A. increase as R reduces, B. increase as G varies, C. remain constant, D. increases as R increases. So Newton's universal law of gravitation is mathematically represented like this: F is equal to G m1 m2 over R square. So if you split this formula into its constituents, what it simply means is that the force, okay, is directly proportional to the product of the masses, okay, between the two bodies, okay, and then that force is also inversely proportional to the square of the radius, okay, or the distance apart, rather, not the radius, the square of the distance apart. So R is the distance. Now from this we can deduce two things, okay. So let's look at this from the options. Now A says increases as R reduces. Now if the force is inversely proportional to the square of the radius, or the radius itself, it means that as the force increases, okay, the distance, not the radius, the distance decreases. As force increases, the distance decreases. So that is what is seen in A. Option A, the force will increase as R reduces, showing the inverse proportionality between the two. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.